Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 56 for multi-vendor e-commerce website in Django with ReactJs. In this 56th video, we will perform these three things. The first thing is latest 4 products on home page, right? Currently it is showing the demo data, right? So here, right? So we'll fetch only first 4 products. I mean the recent first 4 products, right? And the second one is we will here we will show the price according to this selected currency. And the third thing is I've noticed that it's making issue when I click on this download, right? So when I click on this, it is saying that 404 not found. So we'll solve this error, right? So these three things we are going to perform. So let's start with the showing first recent 4 products on a home page. So for this, we will open the home page component here, and in the home page you can see that I'm looping this data, the demo data here, right? Now we need to fetch the data. We need to fetch all the data. So we have all products. Let's go all products, right? And this is our base URL. So first of all, let's set up our base URL, and this one fetch data. So we need all of this, right? So let's do all of this, right? And set the base URL here, constant. So constant base URL use effect. In this use effect, whenever this page loaded, or we can just simply say no need for use effect, we can just simply say just run this function, right? So whenever we go to this component, it will run this function. And okay, no issues. So fetch data and all result is here, and this products dot map. So one more thing, products, we need to use a state products here. Let's keep it in a use effect. Okay, so product use state equal to empty array, and we'll fetch use state and use effect, use state, right? And one more thing, use effect. Okay, so use effect is using here, use stating is using here. Okay, and set product. Whenever this page is load, we'll run this function, set total result. So total result will be in this count. And what else we need, user state. Okay, so everything is fine. It is currently fetching all the products, right? So let's go to set total result is not defined. Let's define this. Actually we don't need this, no need for total results. Okay, so if we go here, it's fetching all the products, but we need only 4 products. Let's we need only, you can say, actually we need 4 products, but it is fetching all the products. So let's define the limit on the home page, right? Let's define the limit. Okay, so we'll define the limit like this. We'll pass here limit equal to, or you can say uh, fetch limit equal to 4. Okay, like we are doing for the category, we are fetching the product according to the category while passing in the URL. Will do the same thing for the limit, right? This will be our fetch limit, right? This will be our fetch limit. We'll say here limit, and then we will just simply say qs.filter. Actually we'll say we have already this one. We will say 4. This should work. Not 4, actually this should be limit, right? So let's see what it is showing here. Not supported instance string and int. Oh, all right, so let's make it int. This will be int. Okay, so if I refresh here, you can see now. Let's say we have limit 2. Okay, so here you can see that. So it is fetching proper data, right? So our actually 2 tasks completed. One is latest product on home page and second is price, because we have added the price condition in the single layout, in the single component. So if I go here in the single, I have added here the currency data from the context, right? I hope you are understanding. You just need to understand, we have wrapped our main app in the context, right? And the context is changing when we are changing this. Okay, and we are fetching the we are fetching the select current currency from the context and added the condition accordingly, right? So this is the flow for that. Okay, so now we have implemented 2 tasks. Now we need to fix this download section. Okay, so let's start to fix this. Okay, so when we are clicking here, where is that? My account dashboard, orders. When we are clicking here, it is saying that this URL is not exist. So let's see. We need to go customer orders, right? And where is download? Sidebar, order row. Okay, so let's go to order row and download base URL. We have base URL. We need to define base URL. Base API URL should be here. No, right? And then we have, let's define, let's see, this is showing products image file. Okay, it's working now. So but uh, when we are clicking here, this is product.file. Okay, I don't think we have uploaded any file for this. So let's go to products, to do app. Product file is here, but it should redirect on product open item dot product dot this one. It should redirect on the file. Let's see, js, save this one, refresh, download. This file is not okay, this file is not found. Let's see that. Okay, so this error was we need to concatenate the base URL with this product file, because it was showing, if I remove this, that was before, and if I click on this, it is showing this one. But what we need to define the base URL. This is the base URL, right? So if I go here, if I click on this, it will work. Okay, so we have successfully implemented all these 3 things in the video number 56, right? So I hope you will learn lots of things, and you are learning lots of things from this series, because here maybe I'm not providing you the conceptual more depth knowledge, but I'm providing you how to practically work with this framework, right? And I always try to, you know, something that is so much practical, because eventually we will do these things. but yes, it is obviously it is correct that we need some conceptual knowledge. Not need, not some, but we need conceptual knowledge. So I'm also trying to provide you, maybe in the next series or in the upcoming videos, we will try to explain the things, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe this channel, like the video, subscribe the channel again. And if you need the source code of this series or source code of the LMS, I'm getting a very, positive and a very nice response for the LMS. Lots of people messaged me and purchased the LMS product, and also multi-vendor e-commerce. So you can just send me your email ID if you want to purchase a multi-vendor e-commerce website. If I go here, repositories and multi-vendor e-commerce, so I have provided the way. This is public repo. I have provided the way. So with this way, if you want to learn, then you can see the video. If you need the source code of these projects, you can pay this amount and I will provide the access. The current benefit of this, the two benefits you can get. The first is you can pay this amount and you will, at the end, you will get the whole source code of the multi-vendor. And if you want to pay after completing, then it will be $200 maybe, or maybe plus. So it is good for you that you can pay this amount and you can purchase this product on the current level, right? You will get all the updates, right? And if you need other projects, then I have provided all the things. So here I have provided the learning management system here, right? So this is a full project. Okay, so I will not talk about much about these things, but I have given you the way that how you can get the source code. So thank you so much for watching the video, and thank you so much for this positive response. Subscribers are going slow, but it's fine, no problem. Please share the video with your friends and with your colleagues and all the things if you find this useful. And in the community section you can provide me, or in the comment section you can send me your opinion, your things. I will try to implement those things. Okay, so thank you so much. Stay tuned with the Code Artisan Lab. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.